Hi, I'm Cal Milne, Managing Director of RADIX Products. At RADIX, we believe in doing things right, from the ground up, and that means investing in the tools that help us support our customers and build a net zero future on sustainable foundations. Our latest investment, the state-of-the-art HF50 Helical Flight Forming machine, a major step forward in our manufacturing capability. Designed to shape helical flights with precision and repeatability, the HF50 gives us the ability to form helices faster and more accurately than ever before. Effortless operation, this machine doesn't just improve production, it produces helices consistently, ensuring quality from the first flight to the last. What does this mean for you? RADIX will produce your helical flights efficiently. We could also produce high-performance helical piles to our customer specification, offer greater flexibility for custom solutions, and of course, provide confidence your foundations are built to last. At RADIX, we're driven by progress, and the HF50 is a bold step forward in delivering smarter, stronger and more tailored solutions for our customers. RADIX, supporting a net zero future on sustainable foundations.